Class 7, Chapter number 2, Climatic Regions of Muslim World. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are doing good. This video covers the climatic regions of the Muslim world. As you all have the prior knowledge about the factors affecting the climate, like nearness to the equator, distance from the seashore, altitude. Muslim world can be divided into climatic regions on the basis of these factors. Here is the map of Muslim world. You can see different countries of Muslim world in this map. These countries are divided into 8 regions, and these regions are deserts, semi-desert and scrubland, tropical grassland, tropical forest, temperate deserts, Mediterranean regions, temperate grassland, and monsoon regions. And in today's video, we will discuss first 4 climatic regions. The points of discussion for each region will be temperature range, amount of rainfall, vegetation and animal, and agriculture. First point is desert. The climate is hot here because there is almost no rainfall. Therefore, there is hardly any agricultural output. The world's major deserts are in Muslim countries are the Sahara Desert in Africa, which makes up 60% of the total desert area the world over. The Thar Desert in Pakistan, Somali Desert in Africa, the Kizilkum in Uzbekistan, the Shtelut in Iran, and Rabul Khali in Saudi Arabia. Though these countries are poor in natural vegetation, but they have valuable mineral, oil, and natural gas. In Saudi Arabia, the Gulf states, Iran, and Pakistan. Next, climatic division point is semi-desert and scrub land. This has occasional rain but not enough for crops to grow. Like ordinary deserts, the daytime temperature is high and nights are often cool. Coarse, tough plants and shrubs grow as these have long roots which go down to whatever water exists below the surface. These are valuable for Pakistan because these hardy animals give hard, tough wool which is excellent for making carpets. Parts of western Pakistan are semi-desert. I hope semi-deserts is clear now for you. And here is the picture of semi-desert and scrub land. After semi-desert and scrubland, next division is tropical grassland. These are usually found between the desert and tropical forest. They are warm throughout the year but have only a small amount of rain, 500 to 1500 millimeter, which falls between the month of April and September. They have scattered trees and bushes and long grass. In Africa, such grasslands are home to many game animals like buffaloes, zebras, giraffes, elephants, rhinos, lions, and tigers. Pakistan once had a lot of this type of climate and vegetation. Now come to tropical forest. Here is a picture of tropical grassland. Now come to tropical forest. In the Muslim world, these are found in Central Africa along the equator and in Southeast Asia. There is heavy rain about 1800 to 2500 millimeter or more, and the temperature remains between 20 to 30 Celsius all year. The main forms of life found here are birds and monkeys in the canopy, which means the leaves at the top. and snakes, lizards, and insects below. Much of the forest is very valuable for timber. Timber is a kind of wood which is used for buildings and other hard wood. Because of the heat and the moist atmosphere, the rainforests are generally unhealthy with many diseases that affect humans and animals. But however, the rainforests are very important for animals, plants, and human beings for fresh oxygen, and it also absorbs carbon dioxide. Although not in the Muslim world, the great Amazon forest in South America is believed to supply half the world's atmosphere with oxygen. So now you know the importance of tropical forest. Here is the picture of tropical forest. There is a thick forest of tall trees with a crown of leaves. So now let's have a quick review today's topic. These are number 1 deserts, number 2 semi-desert and scrubland. Deserts are hot and dry places. Semi-desert and scrublands are hot during the day and cool at night. Tropical grasslands, they lie between the deserts and tropical forest. Tropical forests are in Central Africa along the equator and Southeast Asia. Fifth is temperate desert are in Afghanistan, Central Asian states. Next is Mediterranean climate regions that are in coastal areas of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia. Next is monsoon lands that are only in subcontinent and Southeast Asia, Malaysia and Indonesia. We will discuss these 4 points in next video inshallah. So today's video I explained the climatic regions of Muslim world. In next video the remaining 4 regions will be discussed inshallah. Here is the worksheet of chapter number 1. You can do this worksheet on your copies and you can take help